show interface IP brief. Show interface IP brief. You can see this is the outside interface. This is the internal interface. This is the DMZ interface. Total 3 interfaces we have, the physical. Okay. If you do show version will tell you like how many interfaces we have. Total 4 interfaces. Basically, third interface we are using for the back-to-back, like one firewall connecting directly to another firewall. But 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2. 0, 0 we use for outside, 0, 1 we use for internal, 0, 2 we use for the DMZ. Okay. So we need to make sure before we do anything, how we can verify that our connectivity is fine. So we have a diagram here. Here is a diagram. From here, you can telnet, you can ping to 10.1.21.100. Okay, so you can see I can ping this machine. This is my desktop machine.
Okay.
So my desktop machine is this. This is my desktop machine, right? 21. I can desktop. How can I desktop to my machine?
Telnet.
Okay, 21 is my machine. Okay, so now you can see here on this machine, I can also verify that can I reach to the firewall right now. That's the IP address of my firewall. Look at this 10.1.21.240. 10.1.21.240. So from the machine, I can test this connectivity. Then from the firewall point of view, another diagram we need to test. Can we ping to, we have the DMZ interface. DMZ interface is 172.16.121. Let's check. Yeah. Right, so you can ping the DMZ side as well. This server 172.16.21.1, because you are in 172.16.21. So it's not actually 121, it's actually 21. Okay, so a little bit mistake here. I can ping to my next hop IP. Also, can I ping to 201.21.1? I can ping. Here you can see these are all the interfaces are already configured. There is a command called show name if. Show name if will suggest you that, you know, when you configure an interface, on each interface, of course, if it's a sub interface, you need to assign VLAN, you need to assign the name if command, you need to assign security level, and you need to assign an IP address. So these are the 3 things you need to do. So we have already pre-configured these interfaces for you because last time you have already practiced this in our environment. Okay, that's the internal interface. So this is the outside interface. And the outside interface has an IP address as per our spreadsheet. See, 201.21.240, VLAN 221, name if is outside 21, and interface is E021. So that's the configuration as per my spreadsheet. Everybody need to verify his own inside outside DMZ, because later on, if we do the access list, NAT, or anything, this will not work unless you have verified the connectivity to your next hop IP. Okay, So my verification has been completed. I can verify that I can reach to this machine, I can reach to this, I can reach to this, and let me check on this side as well. Show interface IP brief. Okay, so I can ping to all these interfaces, directly connected interfaces. Okay, before we do any routing or anything, you need to make sure your interface configuration is fine. So I have 3 interfaces. These are already pre-configured. Show run. Please check your own interface configuration. That's my external interface. Okay, then I have the DMZ. Then I have the internal interface. These are the 3 interfaces you should be able to verify. This is my internal. LAN. Okay, what we have configured, we have configured the VLAN. If you verify the configuration on this interface, this is the VLAN 21. Then we have the name assigned. Every interface has a name. If command, you need to assign the name. Then you assign the security level, and then you assign the IP address. So from the spreadsheet, this is the config. These are the configuration parameter. As per our diagram, we need to make sure we have configured 3 interfaces minimum. And these are already pre-configured for you. Please, everybody verify their own interfaces as per your VLAN. And these are your VLANs here. So once you verify, please let me know ASAP.